Hi guys, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. In these beautiful videos I can share you very beautiful and unique and beautiful and different amazing stylish areas. I hope you will like it. Or very interested in different collections, Christmas decoration stylish areas. So I hope you will enjoy my unique updates. Christmas tables decorations areas. I hope you will like it. All are interested and unique and beautiful pretty styles areas is that our channel, so I hope you will enjoy my unique. All very interested in different styles updates, all very pretty styles areas. I hope you will like it. All very interested in different collections of friends. I hope you will like and enjoy my unique and different beautiful pretty styles areas is just our channel. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique and different collections of friends. This Christmas tables decorations areas. So I hope you will like as enjoy my unique and different collections. I hope you will like it. All very interested, all very beautifully. I hope you will like as enjoy my unique and different collections. So I hope you will like it. All very interested in unique new designs. Hope you will enjoy my very interested in different fabrics or beauty styles. This table's Christmas decoration stylish shop. You will enjoy my unique. So very interested in different stylish areas is that our channel. So watch this very stylish or stunning decorations of their areas so beautifully. I hope you will like as enjoy my unique updates. I hope you will enjoy. Keep watching all these unique new stylish areas is that our channel. So friends, watch these most updates. Keep watching. I hope you will enjoy my unique and different style areas is that a very stylish updates collection. So stylish. So I hope you will like it. All very interested in different pretty ideas. Hope you will enjoy my unique and different collection. So let's see, enjoy my unique ideas so beautifully. Very amazing. Hope you will listen to my unique and unique ideas so unique and beautiful stylish ideas. Enjoy my unique and beautiful unique latest.